If you love strawberry cheesecake, then do I have a recipe for you today. This is Strawberry Cheesecake Overnight Oats. Welcome back, and I'll get right into this recipe so you can make these right away. Start with a half a cup of old-fashioned oats, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup of chopped strawberries, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, the rind from half a lemon, the juice from half a lemon, a pinch of sea salt, and a half a cup of milk. Now mix it all together so all the ingredients are incorporated and that there are no dry pockets of oats left. And you really want to get those chia seeds all mixed in evenly because they are going to help these oats set. Then add in 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese. What I like to do is stir it in gently so that you get little pockets of the cream cheese. And that's going to sit for at least 4 hours to set, or of course overnight. The next morning you can stir in more milk if you like your oats a little bit more creamy. Then you can add some more strawberries, a little bit more cream cheese, and some graham cracker crumbs. And there it is, Strawberry Cheesecake Overnight Oats. If you try this recipe, leave a comment on how it worked for you or any alterations you made. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another easy recipe.